Oh my, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage, and look what I have found at the auction. Man, you guys know I have a soft spot for these dadgum things. 2007 Hyundai Azera with 198,000 miles. Man, she's a little dirty, Exterior looks pretty nice, but interior's a little dirty. Makes my 07 look really nice on the inside because I don't have any dash cracks or anything like that. We got some seat covers on here. The seats aren't that bad, but the carpets and everything just need to be clean. She just needs a good bath. Yeah, they got seat covers on everything. Let's see how she runs. Oh, dude. Fires right up, man. Do have a check engine light. God, it runs just as good as mine does. Oh, yeah. That's the crazy thing about these 3.8s and these Hyundais. You just can't kill them, man. Be curious what the check engine light's for. I didn't bring my scanner today. Oh yeah, these things are just so good. I mean, if you just half-ass take care of them, man, they will take care of you. And they sell so cheap at auction, so cheap. Because they're ugly. They're ugly as sin. I get it. Especially these base models. This is a base model GLS or SE, whatever it's called. The Limiteds are nice with the leather and heated seats, which I've had one of those before. But if you just want smooth, reliable transportation that will start every single day and take you wherever you want to go, these damn things are just impossible to beat. Oh my God, this guy, he is in a conundrum, man. There you go, buddy. You worked that out pretty good. Ooh, the radio lights up. Mine doesn't light up in mine. I was in mine the other day, and I think it's on 108,000 miles right now. So it's still just a baby. Still just a baby. But this one runs just as good. Just as good. Just as smooth. Oh, yeah. Transmission, every suspension, it all feels... Oh, yeah. It all feels good. And these things are... I mean, they're just so quick. Y'all have heard me say it before when I've been riding around in mine. These were the fastest car out of Korea in 2006. Like 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds. 157 mile per hour top speed. I mean, we're talking crazy shit here. Uh-oh, we do have an oil light coming on. Oh my God, the last oil change sticker says 100,000 miles, but it says 2024. Somebody just forgot to put the 2. Wonder why that, I guess it's a little low on oil. It sounds good, it's running good. Got new tires. It's a funny kind of purpley gray color, which I'm not super crazy about, but body's in better shape than mine, my 07. Yeah, just purrs. Best motor, period, right there. I mean, if you're wanting a, $1,500, $2,000 car, you just can't beat them. Focus is messed up here. There we go. Yeah, I just love these things. I've always been partial to them. Ever since I had my '09 Limited, which had similar miles to this one, 200K. Oh, well, there went part of the door handle. Yeah, those door handles are bad about braking. This thing actually, man, it looks good. It's got a good looking body on it. But I need to get it parked because it needs oil. I mean, when I give it a little gas, the oil light goes off. Yeah, give it a little gas, it goes off. It must, I wonder if it has low oil pressure. Now that would be odd. Because, I mean, the darn thing sounds good. Sounds real good. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I bet this one brings about $1,000 tomorrow. Especially since that oil light's on. Somebody needs to come out here and add a little oil to it. I know that's all it is. We'll see you next time. Peace.